Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to record your screen on the device INFINIX Zero 3 X552. So to start recording your screen, you have to press combination of keys, power key and volume up once. And here you can see screen record start. Now your screen is being recorded. And to stop the recording, you have to press volume up and power key once again. And here you can see notification that the record has finished. And you can find your recording in gallery. And here it is.
Here you can see screen record start. Now your screen is being recorded.
From here you can delete it or share it or edit it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.